Как сказать на английском чихать? А сопеть? Давайте вместе узнаем. Чихать. Sneeze.
If you sneeze, the ministry will know who wipes your nose.
Кашлять. Cough.
And yes, he really did cough up a large portion of dead lung tissue.
Сопеть. Sniffle.
That's on me because I heard you sniffle a while ago and I did nothing with that information. So
Храпеть. Snore.
You don't snore that bad.
Пыхтеть. Puff.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff.
Шипеть. Hiss.
We are not just adding to the hiss.
Чавкать. Slurp. Зевать. Yawn.
And I like the face you make when you're trying not to yawn.
Хныкать. Whine.
They whine about anything.
А какие звукоподражательные глаголы в английском знаете и используете вы?